Hey everyone, I'm Lauren from TasteBetterFromScratch.com, and today I'm sharing our easy strawberry lemonade recipe that you will love so much you'll be making it all year long. I can't think of anything more refreshing or delicious on a hot summer's day than a glass of strawberry lemonade, and this recipe is going to knock your socks off. It has the perfect blend of flavors from fresh squeezed lemons to fresh or frozen strawberries, and you can make it as sweet as you like. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is make the simple syrup for our lemonade, which is just sugar and water in a saucepan. We have 2 cups of water and 1.5 cups of white granulated sugar. We're gonna stir together our water and sugar, bring it to a simmer until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then we're gonna let it cool completely, and this will be the base of the juice of the lemonade that will combine with lemon juice and strawberries to make our lemonade. Our simple syrup is cooling. Now we're going to puree our strawberries. So you're going to need a 1/2 pound of fresh strawberries or frozen. I've removed the stems and sliced these in half. We're going to add them to our food processor, or you could use a blender so we can puree them until smooth. Okay, they look perfect. Now that our strawberries are pureed, you can add these right to your lemonade if you don't mind seeds and a little bit of that chunky strawberry texture. I like my lemonade a little more smooth, so I like to pour it into a fine mesh strainer to press out the seeds and any large chunks. I just use the back of my spoon to press the mixture through the strainer. We want as much of the strawberry juice to push through as possible. Grab your fresh lemons because we are ready to add 1.5 cups of fresh lemon juice to our lemonade. So each lemon will have about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice in it, depending on how big your lemons are. And definitely if you're making homemade lemonade, really you want to use fresh lemons. We don't want any lemon seeds in our lemonade, so I like to use this little tool to catch the seeds, or you can juice them in through your hand to catch the seeds. The last easy step is to combine all of our ingredients together. We've got our cooled simple syrup we're gonna add to our pitcher. The reason we add this simple syrup and we warm it on the stove is to help the sugar dissolve. Otherwise, the sugar would taste really grainy in your lemonade. Okay, now we're adding our fresh pureed strawberries and fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're gonna stir this all together, and now you can add water and ice to your preferred level of sweetness. And I usually like to add at least 2.5 cups of fresh water. You can really add as much or as little as you like, depending on how sweet you want your lemonade. For best results, we're going to chill this for a few hours in the refrigerator and serve it over ice. We enjoy this strawberry lemonade all summer long, relaxing outside by the pool. It's the perfect thing for a barbecue if you're having friends over. It's kind of special, but it's really easy to make. Let's try some. Oh, it's so good. I love it when it's not overly sweet. This is better than anything you could buy in a store. It definitely tastes better from scratch. I hope you all get to try it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes that taste better from scratch. See you soon.